Introducing the Edge 3D Digital Light Microscope for industry, research, and biomedicine. Why 3D? Because the real world is 3D. Acquire more information. Decrease misdiagnosis. Increase productivity. Conventional microscopes only allow you to see a thin slice of the specimen at each focal level. The Edge microscope automatically stacks the slices into one fully focused image. Rotational images produce 3D without glasses. Tilt the specimen as a 3D model. Edge's 3D Panfocal technology is now available at a small fraction of the cost of 3D confocal microscopes. The Edge 3D research microscopes feature reflected illumination, transmitted illumination, fluorescence imaging, polarization imaging, magnifications from 10 times to 5,000 times. Edge's deep focus software is fully automated. Outputs: HD video, tilted model of surface topology, rotational animations, stereo files. Edge is innovating affordable 3D solutions for 21st century microscope imaging.